Hey there, entrepreneurs. Are you tired of paying sky-high monthly fees for community building platforms that don't actually build your community? Or maybe you're just sick of Facebook groups being shut down out of nowhere? Well, stick around because I've got something massive for you today, AITribes. During its launch special, AITribes is offering a one-time fee, and yes, you heard me right, just one time. But here's the catch. This deal is for early action takers, so if you're watching this, the clock is ticking. But why AITribes? Simple. It's not just another community platform like Kajabi, Teachable, or School, which, let's be honest, are draining your wallet with monthly subscriptions. AITribes does something revolutionary. It uses AI to build, engage, and grow your community automatically. Imagine this: AITribes creates niche-specific content that keeps your members engaged around the clock. And the best part? Its gamification tech makes your community grow 100x faster by turning your members into ambassadors, all on autopilot. Now you might be thinking, why not just stick with my Facebook group? Well, here's the hard truth. FB groups are getting shut down left and right, often without reason, and good luck trying to get them reinstated. Plus, they're filled with ads, distractions, and let's not forget, no built-in selling systems. With AITribes, you control your community entirely, no distractions, no shutdowns, just pure growth and engagement. Already have a community somewhere else? No worries. You can import your data right into AITribes. And if you're paying ridiculous monthly fees for your current builder, it's time to cut the cord and switch. People are charging up to $997 per month to build viral communities for businesses like gyms, pet shops, and health brands. Why? Because when done right, a thriving community boosts monthly sales like crazy. It's more reliable than ad campaigns that may or may not convert. So, if you're ready to stop overpaying for outdated platforms and want a tool that actually builds your community with AI, AITribes is your secret weapon. The one-time price is available right now for early action takers. Don't miss out, your business deserves better. Click the link below, grab your one-time offer for AITribes, and start building a community that lasts. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later.